You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of, this word that comes from French. Yes, indeed. For reference, the French pronunciation is motif, okay? Because it's French, it's a bit confusing. But the English pronunciation is pretty straightforward. Motif, okay? I've heard there are other videos on the internet saying motif. It's more motif, okay, because it's French. Motif. Motif is how you say it in English. Motif. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.